Hi sellers, my name is Ashley DePinto,
And I'm Dana Rodriguez.
and today we're going to be talking about some changes Amazon has recently made in the BSA, or the Business Solutions Agreement. Specifically, we will be talking about Section 16, which is password security. So Dana's going to give us a little bit of feedback regarding if there's any changes that have been implemented or whatnot.
So this section has actually not been updated. Everything is the same. What this section is saying is that the seller is always responsible for their password, for their access to their account. You are only allowed to give out your password if that third party is authorized, and you are solely responsible for any use of action taken under your account.
So pretty much Amazon won't be taking blame if someone does gain access to your account, even if it's accidentally or intentionally, unintentionally. So it's always important that you don't give this information out, and even be aware of giving it to some employees. You still could run into issues, and I know Dana recently had a case she was working with where this specific scenario occurred to one of her clients. So Dana, why don't you tell us a little bit about that?
Right, so this is actually a related accounts suspension. What happened was our client gave access to a third-party service who was their business manager. Unfortunately, the business manager ended up signing onto their account with their password, but was also doing the same thing with their other clients. So everybody was flagged for related accounts, and although we did have to appeal to Amazon for this, and it did take a few tries for Amazon to respond. Them saying in this section that, you are allowed to give it out to a third party that's authorized does not always, it's a little confusing just because, if the third party accidentally signs on from the same IP address as another, clients, then they're flagged for related accounts. That's a really hard suspension to come back from.
Yeah, we do have trouble winning those. We do have some success, but when it's issues like this, sometimes it takes a while for Amazon just to understand specifically what happened and whether it was intentional or not. So that's really it for this section 16 in the BSA. If you guys have any questions, you can of course always give us a call or an email. Thank you.
Thank you.